Hello and welcome to the quick tutorial on 500 pixels. 500 pixels is a web service that allows you to share high quality photos, and with integrating it into our digital signage platform, you'll be able to display these images in your presentation. We support multiple collections, also known as sets. It requires a quick authentication to create a token, and all this is powered by scenes, so you can style it any way you like and take advantage of transitions. So let's start. Now the 500 pixel component is part of the Enterprise Edition, so you do need to log into your Enterprise Studio. Go ahead and do that and click on the media store, go to non-installed. Here's the 500 pixel component. Go ahead and click on install now, and you'll be able to use it in your Studio Pro. So next, let's go ahead and generate a token. Next, go ahead and launch your browser and point your browser to 500px.signage.me. This will allow us to generate a token. So click on login and go ahead and log in with your 500 pixel username and password, and select the authorize option. And here's a token. We'll go ahead and select it and copy it to the clipboard. Next, go ahead and switch back to Studio Pro. And over here in Studio Pro, I have a demo campaign, which is just a simple campaign with a timeline and a free channel. Go ahead and switch into our scene editors. Click on the plus sign to add a new scene. We can go ahead and call this our 500px scene. And select the background to actually select the scene itself. And over here from the drop down, you're going to want to go ahead and select the 500px collection. You can also select the 500px user information, but we're going to go ahead and select the collection first. Now the difference between user and collection is that user will allow you to display all the images that have been uploaded for your particular username. However, you can also create collections or sets under your username, and we're going to go and display those sets and collections, and I'll show you how to configure those sets and collections in 500 pixels in just a sec. And so I went ahead and selected the 500 pixel collections. Next, I'm going to go over here and switch to the components. Make sure we select the JSON item. Go ahead and drag and drop that to the scene. Go ahead and drag and drop actually 3 of these. And make sure that the first one is going to be mapped to our actual image. And set the aspect ratio. This guy is going to be the name, and this guy is going to be the description. Next, we're going to go ahead and switch to our timelines. Here's the 500 pixel scene that we just created. It's already selected, so we'll just take it and drag and drop it to the free channel. Over here, we're going to go ahead and paste in the token that we created earlier and press on enter. And as soon as I do, you can see that I have the collections or sets to choose from. I'm going to go over here to general, set the interval to 2 seconds, and take the random off. And also I need to select the collection, so I'll just go back here, and first I'm going to start with the Jets collection. And you can see that it's already loading up the images, and if I click on play, it just cycles through my images. And I also have the name and the description on the bottom, if a description exists. I can also switch to my dogs collection, click on play, and you can see the images there as well. So next, let's go ahead and switch to 500 pixels and show you the interface, how to configure sets and collections. I went ahead and logged into my 500 pixel website account, and I can go ahead and select my profile. You'll see that under my profile I have the images. These are the same images that we were able to see in our signage studio in the presentation. But also, if I go back to my username and select on manage photos, I can actually create sets. And if you see right here under these sets, I have the My Nice Jet collections that we saw earlier, as well as the dogs collection. So as you can see, you can create multiple sets and connect to these sets from the Signage Studio and play these on the Signage Player. Of course, you can remove images, you can add images, and really modify these sets any way you like and create unlimited number of sets. So if I just wanted to create a new set, simply click on the new, go ahead and call this my test set 1, 2, 3, click on save, switch back to my studio, go ahead and double click the component to refresh it. And you can see my test set 1, 2, 3, and of course I just need to load images into this set to be able to select images. One more thing I wanted to show you is transitions. So if I go back to my general and select transitions and my default transition pool, go ahead and save my work and click play on the timeline, you'll see a nice transition between each individual image. So this wraps up this video tutorial for 500 pixels. I hope you see how easy it is to integrate high quality imagery into your presentation with the 500 pixel service. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching.